Okay, so nice song and nice guitar, and that's the only reason why I can play this cool song here from Anson Seabra, Ocean of Tears. And speaking on guitar, this is Anchor guitar. Alright, Anchor guitars, they are great built and a great value for the money. If you want to have one of these, then use my coupon code GornGuitar10 to get 10% off. A great deal. Now let's go into this 4-chord song here from Anson Seabra. No need for the capo here, no setup, just the chords. So let's go and learn them. We're gonna start with D. That is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord is A, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have F sharp minor. You place the index finger as a bar on the second fret. You push down all strings there with all your strength, and then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. And finally E, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Alright, so you have the chords there, and that is the order of it through entire song. It goes D, A, F sharp, and E. You're gonna start with down, down, A, F sharp, E, like this. 2 downs per chord. Not too hard. And then at 1 minute and 30 seconds, around that mark, you're gonna play a string pattern because it goes up a little bit in tension there and the tempo and all that. Yeah, you understand. So you're gonna play the same chords now, of course, but with a string pattern. So D, you're gonna play it this. And you play 2 of them per chord. So you're gonna work a lot now. So 1 down, and then down, up, down, up. That is 1. So 2 of them per chord. And that's it, my friends. Anson Seabra's Ocean of Tears. Don't have to be hard on that. Chord strumming, that makes life good. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.